We often hear about the risks smoking poses to the lungs, but did you know it silently destroys your liver too? Let's explore why smoking is the silent killer inside your body. Every time you smoke, thousands of toxins enter your bloodstream, and they travel to your liver, the organ responsible for detoxifying your body. But what happens when it's overwhelmed? Your liver is working overtime to process the toxins from smoking, and over time, this continuous burden leads to serious liver damage.
Where excess fat builds up in liver cells, impairing its ability to function properly.
With continuous smoking, chronic inflammation sets in, leading to scarring and cirrhosis. The liver becomes less capable of detoxifying and performing its vital functions. Liver cancer is the tragic result of long-term damage caused by smoking. Smoking weakens the liver's ability to repair itself, making it more vulnerable to cancerous growth. The problem with liver damage is that it doesn't always show immediate symptoms. By the time you notice, significant damage may have already occurred.
The good news is that the liver has a remarkable ability to regenerate. By quitting smoking, you give your liver the chance to heal and reduce further damage.
The best way to protect your liver is to quit smoking. You'll give your liver the best chance at recovery and prevent future damage.
Your liver's health is in your hands. Quit smoking today and take control of your well-being. Your liver will thank you.
Your liver is silently suffering every time you light up, but you have the power to protect it. By quitting smoking, you give your liver the chance to heal and thrive. Don't wait for the damage to become irreversible. Make the change today.
If you found this video eye-opening, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and make sure to subscribe for more valuable health insights.